Have you accidentally deleted important photos from your iPhone and want to recover them from iCloud backup? In this video, we'll show you 4 effective ways to recover deleted photos from iCloud backup, including Apple's built-in methods and a professional recovery solution. Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery. Method 1. Recover photos from recently deleted album. Before restoring an iCloud backup, the first thing you should check is the recently deleted album on your iPhone. When you delete photos from the Photos app, they are usually moved to the recently deleted folder and kept for up to 30 days before permanent deletion. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Tap Albums at the bottom. Scroll down and select Recently Deleted. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Select the photos you want to recover. Tap Recover. Your deleted photos will be restored to your photo library. Note: this method only works if the photos have not been permanently deleted from the recently deleted album. Method 2. Recover deleted photos from iCloud Photos. If you use iCloud Photos, you can also check your photos through iCloud.com. Open a browser and visit iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Select Photos. Check whether your deleted photos are available. Select the photos and download or restore them. However, keep in mind that iCloud Photos works through synchronization. If photos were permanently removed from iCloud Photos, they may not appear here. Method 3. Restore deleted photos from iCloud Backup. If your deleted photos were included in an iCloud backup created before deletion, you can restore your iPhone from that backup. However, this method has an important limitation. Restoring an iCloud backup will erase the current content on your iPhone and replace it with the backup data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Follow the setup process. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Select the backup containing your deleted photos. Wait until the restoration process completes. Note: make sure you back up your current iPhone data before restoring, because existing data may be overwritten. Method 4. Recover deleted photos using Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery. If you don't want to erase your iPhone or restore an entire backup, using a professional iCloud backup recovery tool can be a better option. Coolmuster iCloud Backup Recovery allows you to access and extract specific files from your iCloud backup. Instead of restoring everything, you can preview and recover only the photos you need. Download and install the software on your computer, then open it. Enter your Apple ID information to access available iCloud backup files. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your iOS device, enter the verification code on the screen, then tap Verify to proceed. The program will display available iCloud backup files. Select the data category you want to recover, such as photos, and click the next icon. After scanning, preview the photos, select the ones you want, click Recover to Computer, and save them to your computer. This method helps you recover selected photos without resetting your iPhone.